So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with another legendary video on the Rat. That's right, the £750 Nürburgring car that man like non-car guy James bought. As you see, the bonnet's already up because yes, obviously there's an issue with it. But on top of that, it's modification time and I have spent my £150 very wisely. In fact, guys, I have done an absolute madness with it. Guys, stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be sick. Let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. So, after the 3-day deadline had passed for James to buy us a car on a £750 budget to get us to the Nürburgring, he pulled up in a stripped out 124,000 mile, 1.6 litre petrol, 105 brake horsepower Skoda Fabia, aka the Rat. And this was to be our chariot to Germany. However, with myself adding another slight twist to the saga, I committed an additional ultra stingy £150 to purchase the best modifications possible in order to get the Rat in a track ready state for Germany. And today, you find out just how well I've spent the money. Today is the day before the Nürburgring trip with me, a man like non-car guy James, and the Rat. And as you see in the background, no, it's not popping a wheelie, it's already jacked up. Tell them why it's jacked up.
Basically, the Rat is leaking gearbox oil.
Not only is it leaking, it's dripping at a rate of knots. What we've quickly run and done before the shop's closed is get some gearbox oil. The main man in the background there, Sam, has basically topped up for us, but you also done some investigating, right, on how much gearbox oil this bad boy takes, right? Bro, tell us how much oil it takes.
So this should take about 1.7 litres of gearbox oil, and I managed to fill it up with 1.7 litres.
1.7 litres, well done, James. What that means is it had absolutely zero gearbox oil in it. When the gearbox oil's going in, it's literally dripping straight back at the bottom. So right now we're trying to do a little, I don't even know what we're gonna do. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but basically it's all wet under there. Whatever's wrong with it, we're still taking it. However, guys, the whole flow of the day is obviously we are gonna do £150 worth of modifications to this bad boy ready for the ring trip. And obviously, with only £150, you have to be sensible with the money, obviously.
You've got to buy the right stuff.
The right stuff, right? So guys, this is how we're gonna start it today, yeah? And hopefully, I will put on screen exactly how much what item cost me as I put it up, so it will total or tally up to that £150 or close to prove that I actually spent that. So come in here, close, come. Right, so as you see, we're going to the Nürburgring. It's all about downforce, it's all about, you know, how the car cuts through the air. So we've got some eBay special canards. I have no clue how much they cost, but it'll be on screen somewhere now. Next up, LED flashers. LED flashlights in blue. That's right. What's that song? Woo, woo, it's the sound of the Rat. We got the, oh, they're all falling out. We got the LEDs just to let people know, you know, to move out of the way when we're coming through. A lot of people are going to all these wrap shops, tint shops to get their windows tinted, spending £100, £150. You're wasting your money. You're wasting your money. You know why? Because, can they see that? Yeah? Tint in a can. Window tint in a can. So we're about to tint up these windows because we don't want the haters clocking when we're cruising through, you know what I mean? With those modifications only, we are legally allowed to fit one of those. So it will then be a GTI. What are you saying, James? GTI?
Yeah.
Yeah, GTI. Big modification now. All right, come over here, James, before we show them. As you guys can see, we have a lot of downforce on this bad boy, and being on the ring and going around corners, and you know how it goes on the racetrack, you need downforce to get the bad boy around the corner. Now this has got so much power, it needs a lot of downforce. One wang is not enough. So we got 2 wangs, baby. I'm not sure where that's gonna go. Somewhere like that, who knows? 1 wang is not enough. So James's missus said. Next one, more downforce. I'm being savvy with this money, you know. This is a splitter kit. No, that is a, James is looking very confused behind the camera. They are canards, they go on the side. This goes under the front bumper, right guys? So we're gonna fit these. Downforce, that is the buzzword of the day. Say it again, downforce. I don't know how much money I've spent so far, but I'm guessing it's quite a lot. And you guys are probably thinking, Jamie, in the thumbnail, title, or whatever, you said you bought a turbo kit for this car. Yes, guys, I have bought a turbo kit for this car. I've done it. James, I've done it, right?
You've done it.
I've done it. With this little budget, I've done it. Wait there.
I didn't think it could be done.
It can be done, bro. You just got to have the know-how. All right. Bring out the Wuhan Whistler right now. This is the turbo kit right here. Sound, direct, translation. Open that bad boy up. We have got the big boy right there.
Fish size.
Fist size, yeah, fist it. There you go. Look, turbo center. We're not messing around. I did not clickbait this video. This is real. And I said turbo kit. This ain't the only item in it. Not one, but 2 exhaust whistlers. Turbo kit. No turbo kit is complete. You gotta let people know. But we gotta let people know it's turbo. So we got the turbo badge, and boom, mic drop. I wanna say that's £150 of certified modifications, and a big Wuhan whistler going on this bad boy. So you can't tell me I clickbaited it, because this is a turbo kit and it's going on this bad boy. All right, so, oh, look at that. Come on.
Let's have a look, Sam.
Proper. That'll get us 1,000 miles, I'm sure.
That's what I'm talking about, Sam.
All right, cool.
Now at this point, you're probably thinking either my adding up is really terrible or I haven't actually really spent the entire £150. Well, you're kind of right on both. Initially, when searching the wonderful world of eBay for prime modifications, I thought I'd thrown in a cold air induction kit to my basket, but totally didn't. And didn't even realise until I actually got home after this video. However, because of this leak, I had to spend around £20 on gear oil for the Rat, so we're kinda there, right? Maybe?
One hole. Oh, replacement. It's all about fitment. You telling me?
Oh, Lord.
Come on! Hey!
That's how I be drilling your girls.
Oh my God! Got it stuck. Come on. Put it in reverse, bro. Put it in reverse. We have made this look so bossy there with the sickest downforce ever. I mean, let's just stand back. Look at the aggression. I can feel the downforce already. But James, what are we telling them? Should we show them the spoiler?
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, have you ever seen a double wang?
Double wham, wham. Looking sexy now.
Damn right, look at that from the back. Cheesy! All right, James, what are we doing? Window tint in the can, quickly, it's bloody
man.
late. What is it doing? What is it even doing?
Yeah, it is doing it.
Is it tinting it?
Yeah.
Hey bro, your technique's terrible.
Sorry, I've never done bloody tint in a can before.
Well, come on, bro. All right, let's see now. Open the door and go behind the door, and let's see if we can see you. That is as good and as close to a tint as I've ever seen. What are you telling them?
Yeah, man.
Come on, we're in a rush.
This is before.
This is before? All right, go on.
This is after.
All right.
Kiss.
Oh my God, I can't see a thing.
Well,
He's
well,
tinted.
Go on.
Tinted. What colour is that tint? Oh my God. Bro, it's like blue. Yeah. Oh man. All right, cool. Not too much, bro. You spoil it. Oh my God, let's all stand back. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually all right. All right, guys, so we have been working away on this car for, honestly, hours, and it's a bit embarrassing, actually. Poor Sam's been waiting to go home for hours. It is stupid o'clock at night, but we think we're pretty much there. We've got a couple of badges to fit, but we'll get there in a second. But what we're gonna show you right now is how bad boy this car is. Bro, if we're behind someone and they ain't moving out of the way, what are we doing? Missing one, but that'll do. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't think they're ready for what's under the bonnet, bro, because the Turbski is fitted. Bro, come, let's show them. This is a top mount turbo, big power, inbound.
Oh, gotta find this.
Oh, by the way, don't watch the wiring. Ready for it? Boom! Look at the turbo position. Look at the big Turbski just sitting there. Bro, give us the throttle.
Yeah,
give us the
baby.
throttle. This even works. This turbo is so effective, it works with... There you go. It works without the car running. Young Sam over there has fitted a whistler to the exhaust. Oh no, it's falling off. Too much power, it's come off, bro. Too much power. Wait there, James. Do not rev it, whatever you do. Fire her back up. All right, the whistle. Listen to the whistle. Woo! Jeez. Yeah, boy. That is what I'm talking about. James, cut her off. That is what I'm talking about. Turbo power. Let's show him the little, watch out. I don't know how well you guys can see, but we got a switch under the throttle pedal. There you go. What are we telling them?
Mate, it's sick.
I think now, since it's a turbo car, there's one more thing to be done. Fit a turbo badge. So obviously now it's a GTI turbo. So let's get that G on there.
Presidential.
Look at that, Jesus. Boom. She is officially a GTI. But no one knows that she's got a turbo on her.
It's a she, yeah?
Of course, bro.
What's her name?
You ready, bro? Her name's The Rat, bro. You know that. All right. She is officially turboed. Mic drop. Gleaming, bro. GTI Turbo, The Rat. It only took us 6 hours to fit those crappy mods.
What am I doing?
You telling them? All right, guys, so it's been a long night for you guys. It's probably only been a 10-minute video or thereabouts, but we are ready for the Nürburgring. In fact, look at that. We closed the bonnet and we lost, oh, did we? Yeah, we lost two of the flashing lights. But anyway, who cares? You get the idea. It's now turboed. We're ready for the ring. We've got all the downforce you could ever want. And all I'm hoping is we make it to the ring, because look at this. After we've topped it back up with oil, and I don't know if you can see, but you see that drip on the floor already there? Yeah, that's already dripped out the car, and that's with us sealing it, and that's with cold oil, and yeah, it's gonna be very bad. So, James, what are you telling them?
I have no idea if we're gonna make it round. Oh, even there.
All right, guys, well, listen, pray for us. I think the next video is probably gonna be on the way if we make it. I'm praying that we make it, because I wanna make some cool videos. I think what we should do is a top speed run on the Autobahn and see what this bad boy can actually do. So all I'm saying is, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. A massive shout out also to ES Motor and of course Sam for staying over and past his work hours to help us get this done tonight. Any last words, bro?
We out of there.
We out of here. Sounds powerful.
It is, man.
Woo! Third gear! Third gear! No! Riding, they hating. Alright guys, I just started the camera real quick. It's getting real late just to capture this on camera, but it just either jumped out of fifth gear or done something. We had nothing. A minute ago it wouldn't give us any gears at all. I don't know what's going on.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it, I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit, yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings, they thought I lost a stepping.